Hi everyone, my name is Jackie, and today we're going to be learning about parameters and return. These are the supplies you will need, so if you'd like to pause and restart the video once you've collected your items. Now that you have your items, let's pretend we're going to make a cake today. We're going to need to decide how many tiers our cake will have and what flavor our cake will be. For our purpose, I went ahead and decided on 3 layers and my favorite, lemon flavor. If we flip the envelope over and look inside, the recipe should tell us how to make our cake. To do so, every instance of the word tiers is going to be replaced by their appropriate value 3, and every instance of the word flavor will be replaced by the appropriate value lemon. Now let's make our cake. And there you go. We just made a 3-layer lemon cake. Let's review. This is a function. This should look familiar to you, except it does have a few extra parts. First, the parameters. They are used as placeholders for values that will be passed through the function. And the argument, the value passed through the parameter. Now, if I wanted to vary our cake making somewhat and ask for a 4-layer chocolate cake, what would that look like? I pass through the arguments 4 and chocolate to the parameters tiers and flavor. And voila! At the end, we should have made a beautiful 4-layer chocolate cake. Now let's take a look at another function. This time, let's take a look at how to calculate the cost of the cake. Again, our parameters tiers and flavor, and our argument 3 and lemon will be passed to the parameters tiers and flavor. Inside our envelope is our instructions on how to calculate the cost of the cake. There are a few new things here. First, we've created 2 local variables, flavor cost and total. And in this function, a decision, in this case, how much to charge per flavor, is made based on the argument passed through the parameter. And finally, our total is calculated and returned. But where is it returned and what does that even mean? Before we discuss that, let's go ahead and calculate and run our program. You can pause and restart the video once you have answers to what does flavor cost equal and what does total equal. Did you get flavor cost equaling 4? And did you get the total to equal 12? I hope so. But now let's go back to that return we were talking about. Returns can do 2 things. It stops the flow of the function. If a return is inside of a conditional, if that condition is met, the function ends. And it returns the value to the place where the function was called. Going back to our example, the value 12 is returned, but where is it returned? Where is it stored? Now let's go back to our variable baggies. A function return value can be stored in a variable. Notice how the envelope is placed inside of a baggie. That means that the function would be evaluated and whatever is returned would be stored in the variable cake calculator. Here's how it looks in JavaScript. And you can also print to the console by using console.log command. I hope this lesson has helped you learn about parameters and return, and I hope to see you back again soon. Thank you.